So now, after the successful fusion, we can eject that flash card, and then I have a Raspberry Pi 3 model as I said, and also I have a P-type cable. So here there is a slot for the SD card. You can try to insert this SD card in the Raspberry Pi, and then you can try to connect the Raspberry card on the B-type cable, and then connect this directly with your laptop. So this is either you can try to connect with the power adapter, or otherwise now I'm going to connect this Raspberry Pi directly with my laptop. So I'm through this I'm trying to power up. So now you can see that it is glowing, which means that now it is getting the power as well as it is ready to start. And once you have powered up, if you open up in your mobile, because as I said I'm going to use the hotspot, so in the mobile just try to open up the device. So see here I'm trying to choose the hotspot for my laptop as well as the Raspberry Pi, all are in the same network. So here we will be having a connected devices. If you see in your hotspot, we can try to take the connection. So for which it looks like this. So you can see here the connected devices are visible. So both the Raspberry as well as the system are connected with my hotspot. So now to connect with the laptop, I'm going to use the Putty software. Download the Putty software and then install it in your machine. And we're supposed to give a host name. So in the hotspot, as I said, we might be having the IP address. You can see here, this is 10.23.67 and 42. So this is the IP address of the Raspberry Pi. So I'm going to type this IP address here. 23.67.42 and leave the port as 22 itself and click on the open. So now it is trying to ask for the username and password. During the flash, we have given a Raspberry Pi password, username as a Pi, and then password as Raspberry, right? So the same thing we will try to give it here as well. So now it is connected. So if I try to give ls, it will try to show you all the folders are visible. So when you want to make your own directory, you can use the mkdir followed by some folder name. So as I already have some folders, probably I will try to give a test. When you want to change the directory, you can use the cd change directory followed by the folder which you have created. So now this is how we can try to connect the Raspberry with your system. So let me try to work with the Python. So I will try to create a simple program, simple Python program, say hello world. Let us use a nano editor, nano hello program. So .py, it's an extension for the Python program. So now let me try to give a print statement within double quotes. We'll give a hello Raspberry Pi 3, any command. And then to save this, we need to press the Control X. It will ask for the saving process. Type Y so that it will be saved. In order to run the Python program, you're supposed to use the Python 3. By default, it has a Python 3 model. So let me give command Python 3 followed by the file name. See, it has printed the hello Raspberry Pi. So it's successfully executed. This is how we can try to begin with. Hope you have understood how to start installation and then working with a simple program like a Python. You can also use a C, also Java, everything. Thank you.